the demon, the high the medium, no, yet or heck to Rabakana. Takorano. The son of David, the son of David, Sidanamala, Sodawi, Apukwa, no, Taitaklo. Sodawi, Apukwa, ni, Mitar. Taitaklo, honey, the soci, Paplauda, a shot away the blue color thing, no, the son of David, no. Backwagilla, Lysitopiter, no, the person, no, person. Cora the sound this Cora no the sound no then it lists it up at your name now chapter 132 verse 1 no penny Jevrani the Lord swears and out to David no Cora no answer us that he will not revoke no one of your own descendants I will place on your throne I will place you on your throne no but get on a penny you are sort of will your tamitato, no? But not the Lord sword and oath stand to David, no? When you are sort of no? When you know, take a digitava, no? A sure oath stand take a digitava, no? I went to no? That's he will not revoke, no? I want to be thinner away to bami, no? By thinner, no? Take a digital ovane. No kappa no jikapa no ko tatala no lopaso pokulo no revolves one of your own no pagitimala pain corala descendants I will place on your throne no descendant I will place on your throne no pagitima awani no taitaklo no tastopiter to get the siki as a no this is a person chapter 132 verse 1 no when in next no no kimitamini ba lekwa late sepono when a kimitamini bakala soda for quagi cloning we say a shadow sitter so turn no we say a sitter so kister hello no we say a shadow the sitter so turning no when Isaiah chapter 11 verse 1 said no when it there a suit we came up from the stump of Jesus from his root a brand we bear fruit no because ma awan mi ta la no because ma la tibada ka me thol yi se khu se no tibada high no little no ku ta no because ma no tibada ka me thol yi se khu se no do di ka me thol le a gi no awan mi ta la takwe sa away no bakala no the son of David away no me so da we pokwa takora no when a metala pakwera we say a kubuno do pakalela agata tone tevra Matthew chapter 22 verse 42 now when a Matthew asedo ki asapo luisi kimono Matthew chapter 22 verse 42 now when no let us go up to Pathala. Hi everyone. No, Penny no. What do you know? Why do you think about the Christ? No, whose son is he? Did I know whose son is he? The son of David. They reply. They know about the son of David. Now when it Christ, Penny Tevra dosi weda tu weti lekri again tu sukumo dile. No, me mataka pokwale do with this siba or miss soda we pokwalo no away ni paklopa tu pata. This is a Korala no the son of David no when it back tinya soda we pokwani mera crinilo with the quiver dinilo no Basana girl pay no limbata gubuni quivera no mata seruki so with this Act no chapter 2 verse 13 no said but he was a prophet and knew that God had promised him on earth that he would place one of his descendants on his throne. Now, what done a pathinya, a wedding me widiga, no? When it but he was a prophet, now what done a widiga, do, thinya well, no, you are suited or, le akadu, sino, no, pretend mala. Ayo di atas, no atasa, le a lot pursue apoculo a your data le a lot pursue apoculon we understand about that this one up talk about chapter 2 verse 30 said okay we know that but he was a prophet okay and knew that God has promised him on others he would place one of his descendants on his throne. Away no no, but patu patale, that way sick or never down sick or no. But mala, all lucky to the kind of mala Roman, no. Roman chapter 1 verse 3 no. When he met a le Rumi shadow to Sabutani, no. Regarding his son, who as to his human nature was a descendant of David. Now, when he met Bachado apukwa le pe abachado tapitanyane o ple le sodawi aklieta when bachado apukwa no we understand about that this one is only just I had to come and show us my brother and sister okay and we has that I want to say the sixth verse okay in that this the son of David is the sixth verse, no, sixth verse. We know about the the person chapter 132 verse 1 and said there, okay, the Lord swore and asked to David swears out that he will not revoke and of your own descendants I will place on your throne. No, this one only one verse. And the second verse is Isaiah chapter 11 verse 1. As soon we come up from the stump of Jesus from his rose, a branch will bear fruit. This is okay. Isaiah chapter 11 verse 1. Okay. Matthew chapter 22 verse 42 said, what do you think about the Christ? Whose son is he? The son of David, they replied, okay. This is the son of David is approving, okay. And then they talk about another thing is that Acts chapter 2 verse 30 said, okay, but he was a prophet and knew that God had promised him on earth that he would place one of his descendants on his throne. This one, okay. Last one is a Roman chapter. Okay, Roman chapter 1 verse 3. You will read it there regarding his son who as to his human nature was a descendant of David. No? Only I want to come and read for you only this Bible verse, okay? I want to see you next time, okay? This time only the short time. I will find more Bible verse and then I will come on to read them for you, okay? Thank you so much, my brother and sister. Have a good night, okay? I wish the one I know about the right now is the other country is in the morning. Thank you, okay? Good morning, all right, everyone. Whatever we are in the south and north and the east or west, doesn't matter. We know the gospel, we can patient, we can reduce our angry, okay? This means that's a very good thing, okay? But okay? But basukuma ted me bas solo bata, do bakaba lira le, no putin mala, pep, but to do that kind of me palace or shini, the thing yala. Tamita don Urobono, but Tatu Tapan Lo Silo Shaw Sikolo. I will see you next time, okay? Bye bye. Thank you so much for everyone to watch.